Song for me. Yeah.
For my PP,
Alright, so you be in a club, you be definitely in a club, and there's girls in there, they gotta be girls, and you be like, you see a hot girl come in, and then you just be like, damn girl, damn, and you gotta do your cat, you gotta get over there, you gotta get over there. So then you got a point, you go like, damn girl, I see you. There you go, I see you working. You gotta do a nice little. Then you gotta hit the brakes. You gotta hit the brakes. But like, hey little mama, how you doing? And then she start walking away. You gotta hit the reverse on that shit. You got reverse. Be like, hey, where you going? She be like, get away from me, fool. You be like, damn girl, like that. And you just be like, all right, I see how it is. I don't need you anyways. And be like, just get out of here. That's how you gotta do it. You just gotta get in there and be like, you gotta stop. And then that's how you gotta do it. That's a new solution. That's my 10,000 solution. That's how you pick up the girls. Here we go.
This bitch is drunk. I thought you knew. Not a plane. Still get changed over. Man, yeah. Back in the day, my name was Ed, and nowadays, the girl is being exposed. I don't complain, just tell her right a little kid, to let them know, see mama is with them. You a man, I'm a monster, I let it but no,
Back to the street, homie. What you know? Hody. Shout out to the hope.
Shout out to the homies.
Shout out to the homies.
Shout out.
And to the hater at the front desk.